everyone! Ready to have your mind blown? Today, I'm going to show you 5 of the coolest inventions ever, and I'll explain how they actually work. Let's dive in. First up, the light bulb. Imagine living in a world without lights. Before the light bulb, people used candles and oil lamps. But when Thomas Edison and his team invented the light bulb, everything changed. It works by sending electricity through a tiny wire called a filament, which gets super hot and glows bright. Ta-da! Let there be light! Next, the airplane. Have you ever looked up and seen a plane flying by? Thank the Wright brothers. Airplanes use engines to push them forward, and their wings are shaped in a special way to lift them into the sky. That's how we go from one place to another super fast, even across oceans. Coming in at number 3, the internet. It's like a magic web that connects computers all over the world. The internet lets you watch videos, play games, and talk to friends, even if they're far away. It works by sending tiny packets of information through wires, satellites, and even underwater cables. Super cool, right? 4th on our list is the refrigerator. Say goodbye to spoiled milk. Fridges keep our food cold by removing heat from inside and releasing it outside. That's how your snacks stay fresh and yummy for days. And finally, the smartphone. It's like having a tiny computer in your pocket. Smartphones use touchscreens, cameras, and apps to help us learn, play, and connect with others. They work by sending signals to cell towers, so you can call or text anyone, almost anywhere. So which invention blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome facts. See you next time.